Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an inventory UI in Roblox Studio. We'll start by setting up the basic structure. First, create a screen GUI in Starter GUI, which will be the foundation for your entire inventory interface. Inside that, add a main frame. This frame will serve as the container for all your inventory elements, so make sure to position and size it appropriately on the screen for a clean look. Remember to name your UI elements clearly for better organization. Next, let's design the individual inventory slots. Create several frame elements, each representing a single slot for an item. To keep them organized, use a UI list layout or UI grid layout within your main inventory frame. This automatically arranges your slots. Inside each slot, add an image label for the item's icon and a text label to display the quantity. Aim for consistent sizing, like 50 by 50 pixels, for a polished appearance. Now let's handle the item data and interaction. Store all your item properties such as name, unique ID, and icon path within a module script for easy management. Create a local script to dynamically populate your inventory slots with this item data. Implement a click event for each slot. When clicked, it should display detailed information about that item, like its description and usage options, in a separate detail panel. Finally, we'll script the core inventory logic. Write server-side scripts to manage the actual adding and removing of items from a player's inventory. Utilize remote events to ensure smooth communication of inventory changes between the client and the server. Implement functions that dynamically update the user interface whenever items are added or removed. For persistence, consider using Roblox's data store service to save and load player inventory data across game sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.